Now we have questions on compass bearing and three-digit bearing. Now we have find the compass bearing equivalent of 1, 217 degree. We have 7 questions here. The first question here is 217 degree. Solution. We have number 1, 217 degree. We are asked to express this or find the compass bearing equivalent of the three-digit bearing. Now, this is what we do. 217. Let's draw our cardinal point. North, south, east, west. Now we have 217 degree, and we know bearing always coming from the north, starting from the north. So by the time we are having 217, we'll be moving like this. 217, here 180, 217 will fall here at this region here. That means we are going to have 217 somewhere around here. In this third quadrant, 217. So if we look at it, the here is this. We are going to have here 217 minus 180 degree. 217 minus 180 degree will give us 37 degree. That means here is 37 degree. Now in two-digit bearing now, let me explain again. Here we are having here first quadrant 90, second quadrant 90, 90 plus 90, 180, 180, and what are we going to add to 180 to give us 270? That is 37. That's why here is 37. So in compass bearing notation, where do we have this? We have x w. That means we have x 37 degree w. That is south, 37 degree west, or alternatively we could say 37 degree west of south. And I will give it like this or like this. Now second one there, we have second question there, we have 190 degree, 190 degree. Now to make it easy, let's draw our cardinal point. One 190 degree will fall in the second quadrant. That is, we move clockwise from the north. Here is north, south, east, and west. So we have 190 degree is going to be here. Here is 180, 180. So 190 will be in the third quadrant here, something like this region. Then I'm going to have, this is 90, 90, 180. What do we add to 180 to give us 190? That is 10. That is, we can say 190 minus 180 degree. That will give us 10 degree. That means here is 10 degree. So now, if you look at that, in compass bearing notation, we're having between southwest. So that's going to be south 10 degree west, or we can say what, 10 degree west of south. Then we have the third one. The third question there is 046 degree. Now in 046, we draw a cardinal point. Here is our north, south, east, and this west. So we are going to have here to be 46 degree coming from the north. So means we are going to have, and being is always taken from the north, we are going to have, we are moving here, 40 should be around here. So we'll draw. So this is our 46. Here is our 46 degree. So we have it between the north and the east. So we have n. So we have it here to be 46 degree. So we have it to be north 46 degree east, or we say 46 degree east of north. We have that. Then the fourth question there. The fourth question is 320. 320 degree. To have 320 degree, we draw our cardinal point as well too. Let's draw our cardinal point. It's more easier to operate with our cardinal point. Now cardinal point 320. You know 320 will be in this fourth quadrant. It's going to fall in first one. Here we have, that means we are coming through this angle from the north. We have here 90, here 90, 180, 270. Then what do we have to 270 to give us 320? So we have it as 320 minus 270 degree. That should give us 50 degree. 50 degree. That means here, coming from this, from the clockwise direction up to this part is where we have our 3. We have from this clockwise direction of this part is 320 degree. Should not forget, these are north, south, east, and these are our west. So now 320 here, 180, 270. So we have here to be 50 degree. If here is 50 degrees, the fourth quadrant, everything this quadrant here, here is 90. So if that is 90, that means here is going to be 40 degree. So now the bearing, the compass bearing of 320, we are going to consider north west. So it's going to be north. What value is here? To the north, 40. So we have 40 degree west. So the compass bearing of 320 is 40 degree is north, 40 degree west, or we say 40 degree west of north. Take note, look at it again. 320, we take our 320 from the north in the clockwise direction. Here 90, another 91, it becomes 180 here, 270. What do we have to 270 give us 320? That is 50. So we have here to be 50. If here is 50, then the remaining part here is going to be 40, because in this quadrant here, fourth quadrant, we have it to be equals to 90. 50 plus here will give us 90. So we have 40. 50 plus 40 will give us 90. So here is 40. And we always take bearing, we consider this north and the west, north and the west, north, west, and north. So we are taking this value here. So the compass bearing of 220 is 40, is north, 40 degree west, or 40 degree west of north. Do you understand that now? Now, the other questions that we have here, we have 5, 6, and 7. Let's attempt that on our own.